mixed method. Because you use one method may not be very effective. Then, if you talk about survey, now how do you conduct the survey with the student? You cannot just use the word survey. Technique will mean more than the word survey. If it's survey, you must tell me, are you going to use email survey, personal interview, hold your questionnaire and interview the student, okay, or website, or you send letter to them? How are you going to reach the student? You just survey one word, you don't get marked. Everybody also will tell me survey, but you must know that here, okay, a research technique include more than one word, a short description of how you are going to do the survey. So come back to the student, what kind of survey you all think should be recommended? Again, email, personal, self-administer, just provision A, then take, and then return the box. Of course, some more intercept, right? Or telephone, what do you think? You cannot decide. Do you think we should do personal interview, get interviewer to interview the student about all these things? Okay, you start personal interview?
No, miss.
No, right? You spend so much money for what? You see, it's a library. Therefore, just use email survey, isn't it? Do you think the library has a student's email addresses if they want? Yes or no? Yes, yeah. They actually have the sampling frame. They have the email address. So that will be the cheapest way and the fastest way. They send out email to all the students. Some will respond, right? Isn't it the fastest and the data is immediately captured and solve your problem? It's not perfect, but it's one of the best way. Do you agree? Agree or not? Agree or not? Yeah. Now, that is not the only answer. If somebody tell me they just want to do email survey for everybody, including academic staff, I say also okay. Why not? I can also create another questionnaire, send to the staff by email. Do you agree? Yes or no? I don't have to call them there. I can send another questionnaire to the academic staff. Do you agree? Yes? Agree, right? If somebody tell me they want to do focus group with academic staff, also focus group with the student, I also agree. It's also possible. You can get more insightful information. So that is why I say I do not want to give you more answer. During the exam, you think, but you think in this way. Who is doing it? Do they have a sampling frame? Do they have contact number? Then what do they want to know? Sensitive or not sensitive? Do they need to have very deep discussion? Actually, not need to be very deep, right? Even with lecture, not to be very deep. So focus group can be a waste of money and time. And then, who do you want to interview? Think about it. You may not want to group them together. You may have to separate them. One group, use one method. Even if I say email for both, I am not using the same questionnaire. Now, my summary. Are you better now? That is how I mean by you have to think. And the moment you go on to start thinking, that's where you freeze. Is it okay now? I'm going to continue already. Understand? Okay. I think I have the answer for this one. Oh, I did not give you the answer yet. Yeah. I have told you, can use mixed method. And then here, another question. Helpful. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to skip all this because you need a break, I'm sure. Now, can I ask you, are you learning anything by this method? Are you learning anything by this method? Yes, but not much. Because you people did not do it. Okay? When you come back, I'm going to show you one student's answer. I'm going to show you one student's answer, okay? Yeah. So for the rest of the question, I will show you her answer. This is not from your batch, it's from somebody. So let's have a break, 15 minutes. 15 minutes for you. Come back, I will cover the case study.